Hi, I'm Summer Lopez, physical therapist and Pilates practitioner from Body Forte in Kingston, Jamaica, and I'm here at the beautiful Half Moon, here at the Beauty Summit, encouraging people to fortify their body for life, which is a no quick fix for that. Move. I feel like exercise should be prescribed, just like medicines are prescribed. Perhaps if more exercise was prescribed, we'd need less medicine. I just had a wonderful session with Guy Stewart, the chairman of Half Moon, and we worked on, he's a golfer, so we worked on some things to help his golf game.
I've just been through a half hour of Pilates and torque and torso movement with Summer Lopez of Body Forte. I want to thank Summer for helping me learn how to breathe, how to internally rotate, and how my thoracic spine needs to relax and move, become much better and more dynamic as we age. It's so important. So I feel wonderful. I feel taller. I feel certainly like I've worked my core more than I had before. A little bit means a lot in Pilates and yoga. And breathing means a lot too. You can really get something out of the stretch and out of the internal rotations by breathing into them, paying attention to posture and little muscles in your body.
He also had a low back injury from back in the 90s, a severe disc blowout. So we also worked on some things with his posture to help that.
After this experience, this is a long experience of these type of exercises for me, having gone back to 94 when I ruptured discs in my back, and avoiding surgery was a critical way for me to help respond and cure myself. And then after that, it just becomes a daily diet, a discipline of learning how to balance and stretch and move properly, strengthen your core, your glutes. It's all about the core. Everything we're doing is about the core and stretching. And I will always be doing this the rest of my life. It becomes part of my daily diet.
I'm all for contacting and using your neighborhood physical therapist more for prevention. Don't wait until you have an ache or a pain. You know, go meet with an expert who can help guide you and help keep you well so that you can have a fortified body and do everything you want to do, participate in all aspects of life as you would like to do.